Hey, that's a fantastic entry, isn't it? वैसे हो भी क्यों ना, हमारी निकी मेहरा, जिनकी स्टाइल का इन्फ्लुएंस मुंबई से लेकर पेरिस तक है, isn't it?
That is really sweet.
But that's cool. But इनके हजारों नहीं लाखों बहुत सारे followers हैं यार, and I guess she definitely knows how to flaunt the Oppo F17 Pro.
Well, thank you. I'm trying.
Yeah. Well, you're so talented, Nikki. We know you're a fashion diva, you're a blogger, a photographer, traveler, and I'm sure so many other things. So what do you have to say कि एक इंसान के पास टैलेंट के साथ-साथ स्टाइल कितना जरूरी है?
Well, I think आजकल की सोशल मीडिया की लाइफ में तो ऋत्विक it's very important because there are millions of people who are looking for you, you know, for inspiration. जब भी आप कुछ भी डालते हो, so I think it's very important.
It's very, very important. Well, yeah. So we know that the F17 Pro has great features, right? And जिस तरह से इन्होंने कहा कि स्टाइल बहुत important है, I want to ask you, what do you think about how stylish is it?
Well, I definitely think that the sleek body gives it a very premium look. And इसके colors भी बहुत trendy हैं. I definitely think young people like you and I would love to flaunt it.
We would love to flaunt it.
We would love to flaunt it. You know, have our friends say, "Dude, क्या phone है Ritwik?"
Dude, क्या phone है Nikki?
Yeah.
It is really slender. Well, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So, what else? What else do you think about it is great? Tell me more.
It is the sleekest phone of the year. So slim that it can fit in my clutch.
Right.
Card holder jitna slim, by the way. How impressive is that?
It is pretty impressive. 7.48 mm, guys, to be precise. How important do you think impression is?
It is very important, always, yes. But you know what is more impressive is that it is one of Oppo's first phones to have Android 11 based color OS. But you know what, Ritwik? I think the best way to make an impression is with some cool pics. So, selfie ho jaye?
Absolutely ho jaye. Neki aur puch.
Well, but I have to say that all the 6 cameras of Oppo F17 Pro are absolutely awesome.
Thank you very much, Nikki, यहाँ आने के लिए. But before you go, let's give the audience another chance to win some special goodies. What do you think?
Woohoo, absolutely.
Right? So there is one simple question that you guys need to answer. Just tell us how slim is the Oppo F17 Pro. You guys could be the lucky winners जिनको ये phone अपने घर पर मिल सकता है. So it's a very easy question. How slim is it? है कि नहीं?
Too easy, 7.48 mm. Price though?
Sure. Okay. Well, see, she's given the answer once again. So that doesn't mean you can't win the phone. सवाल audiences आप लोगों के लिए है. अब तक आपको आंसर मिल चुका होगा. So go ahead, write it quickly in the comment section. और आप सबके साथ, I want to double thank हमारी ladies and gentlemen, the style diva Nikki Mehra. Thank you for joining us, Nikki.
Thank you.
Thank you very
for
much.
having me.
Bye bye, and bye bye, and bye bye. Okay, thank you. All right. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, as fast as he sings, let's have the mega rap artist Raftaar back with us. Raftaar! Mera bye.
I'm back.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, it's amazing to have you back again, Meri Jaan. Thank you so much. तो आगे बढ़े. And I was
Hey, bro. Before you move forward, पहले पैसे बता दे इसके भाई, हमको पहले वो मैटर करता है. बढ़िया जितना मर्जी हो. दाम.
Absolutely right. इसीलिए तो मैंने तेको वापस बुलाया मेरी जान. That's exactly why you're here.
Great.
तो
Finally.
Now, but there's one more exciting news और एक और exciting announcement है, which is the launch of the ultra cool Enco W51 earpods with their hybrid active noise cancellation technology. All you ever get is amazing noise free music.
मतलब you mean to say पूरा noise free?
Completely.
तो मेरे जैसे एक इंसान के लिए जो बहुत हसल बसल में रहता है, वो शांति के लिए वो noise free कितना जरूरी है to analyze music in detail.
No, and I'm sure the audiences will love them too. So they'll be available from the 7th of September onwards for just rupees 4,999. So look out for the Oppo Enco W51.
सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को ये वाला दाम.
है ना?
अगले दाम की वेट करो.
4,999. So audiences, are we ready for the F17 Pro का प्राइस?
बहुत ज्यादा बेसब्री से. बहुत ज्यादा.
We ready, bro?
We ready. Catching time. Okay.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Price of the amazing Oppo F17 Pro is 22,990.
Nice.
That is an incredible price for an incredible phone. क्या बोला मेरे भाई?
That actually is incredible और मैं कुछ बोलना चाहूंगा. मेरे दिल से आवाज आ रही है.
बोल भाई.
Fast charging with VOOC. Features में अचूक. 5 मिनट में 4 घंटे का चार्ज रफ्तार से. बाकी का रैप ये कंप्लीट करे. एंट्रीज भेजिए कतार से.
क्या बात है. All
You
right.
need to get the people involved, man.
Absolutely, my man.
Yeah.
On that note, selfie तो बनती है, selfie.
बिल्कुल.
Here we go. Okay. Please यार, ऐसे मजा नहीं आ रहा. Can we please have some music? All right, ladies and gentlemen, the Oppo F17 Pro pre-order will start shortly after this event. Bus, kuch hi der mein, with some really exciting offers. And the device will be available on the 7th of September. Also, look out for another phone in the series, which is the Oppo F17. It also has an ultra slim design, AMOLED display, 30-watt move charging, and not to forget, the rare quad camera. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for keeping up with us, for joining us on this fantastic online music launch. और इसी के साथ, take care and remember your Oppo F17 Pro, flaunt it your way.